Hello, welcome to Texture Myth. In this session, we will discuss further values for RTVSYSVAL command. So in order to explain the same, I am taking the program in edit mode. So here you can see that we have declared three variables. So these variables you can declare by referring the IBM official website, and once variable is declared, then you can directly use your command. So in order to use the command, you can type RTVSYSVAL, then press F4, and here you are supposed to pass two parameters. First one is the value which you want to retrieve from the system, and second one is the variable where you want to hold the output. Now if you want to know more about this values, then you can press F1 here. Once you press F1, it will open a help screen for you where you will find the information of all the values that we can retrieve from the system. So in short, this is a help window where you will find all the possible outcome for RTVSYSVAL command. Okay, so once you got the information from this window, then you can directly use it in your program. So these are the values that we have already covered in our previous sessions. So now I'm directly taking you to the value which we are going to discuss today. So let me take you to that value. Yes, so today we are going to discuss about this value, which is QSSLPCL, which means Transport Layer Security Protocols. This system value specifies the TSL protocol version supported by the system TSL. So what are the possible outcome? Star OPSIS, star TLSV 1.3, star TSLV 1.2, 1.1, and TSLV. So these are the transport layer security versions. So you can find the description also here, like this value cannot be specified if the QSIS value is also specified. Okay, so from here you will get the information. And the second value that we are going to discuss today is QSTGLOWACN, which means auxiliary storage lower limit. So let's see what all possible outcome are here. Star message, send message to CPI099C to QSIS message and QSIS OPR message queue. This message is also sent for the other action. Star CRITMSG, send critical message CPI099B to the user specified in the service attribute to receive the critical message. Star REGFAC, submit a job to call exit programs, register for the IBM QWC underscore QSTGLOWACN exit point. Another possible value is star endsys, which means end the system to restricted state. And the next value is star PWR DWN sys, which means power down system immediately and restart it. Third value we are going to discuss today is QSTGLOWLMT, which means auxiliary storage lower limit. So what is mentioned here? It is mentioned lower limit percentage of available storage remaining in the system ASP when the action is specified in QSTGLOWACN is taken. The percentage of storage currently used in the program ASP can be viewed with the work with system status command. Okay, so from here we got the information. Now we can directly paste it here along with the variable we want to hold the output, and then similarly we can retrieve the other two values also. Okay, so now we got the values. Now it's time to print the value. So for printing the value we are using sndpgmsg command. So just press F4 on sndpgmsg. Here you can pass the variable. If the variable is of decimal type, then you can convert it to character by using %char built-in function, and then simply hit enter. So let's save it and check the output by compiling it. So compilation is done. Now calling is, so first output is star OPSIS, second is star PWRD WNSYS, and third one is 5. Okay, so this is how we can utilize RTVSYSVAL command for retrieving the system values. I hope this session is clear to all of you. In the next session we will discuss few more things. So thank you for watching Texture Myth.